Namaste everyone. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Navya welcome you all. Today I am here to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives, that is ZIIEI. In this video I am going to talk about SOW, Life Skill of Week, from Moral and Human Values developed by innovative teachers of Lakshadweep. Education should develop human values in the child. Education should create a useful, responsible, dynamic citizens, as Mahatma Gandhi said. Education is also an integrated personality of the child. The teacher also understands the need of this human values improvement in the class by introducing a life skills task. This activity, by bringing a life skill, what is life skill is taking, the student will be known to, what are the responsibilities towards them and what are the responsibilities towards others. By playing this activity called life skills task in the classroom, the students will able to know their responsibilities. At the same time, self-care and self-esteem will be developed. It is applicable to all the ages, to all the classes. According to the age, the teacher will be assigning the task of life skills. It requires one board which is prepared with waste material and which will be placed in the classroom. A chart, a performance analysis, of each child will be there and written on a chart. This activity will be played in 3 steps. The first one is orientation and educating the child. In this, the teacher will be giving them a topic in the classroom where the students need to thoroughly go through with the topic and need to have a discussion. Let's take about technology. The students are, instructed to go through, thoroughly use the technology, and they need to find out what are the boons and bans of technology. In the classroom, they will have a discussion about what are the boons and bans of technology. At the same time, who is your role model? Let's take, suppose the teacher will be instructing the students to know about all the role model personality, great personalities, biographies, autographies to read out, and they need to come out in the classroom discussing about all the great personalities, what are the contributions they have done towards their work. Let's take, suppose if the teacher instructed the students for an example about APJ Abdul Kalam, the discussion has started. The teacher and students will be discussing about from paper boy to President of India, what made him to do, and people will be calling him as a great President of India, down to earth person, and also about his great scientist. He is also a great scientist. The students will have a discussion about all these kind of things in the classroom. The second step is assigning a task of assigning a life skills task. The students, the students will be assigned the task. Let's take every week starting Monday. The teacher will be writing a theme called Be Compassionate. For the entire week, all the students need to be compassionate with each other. They will write down all the good deeds in their notebooks. At the same time, they'll also share with each other about their, experiences. Let's take, suppose one student has shared, I saw a puppy which is drenched in the rain and it was shivering and he was shivering. I took care of him and I fed him milk. These kind of stories, real life experiences, the students will be sharing. Assessing the student's performance. The experiences will be written by the student as a narration, and all the students who have created a best narration, all of them will be awarded smileys or stars. The teacher, it's not for their vocabulary, it's not for their words, but it is to encourage the students to imbibe the good qualities of, being a humans. Being a child at an early age, they should imbibe all these good deeds and good qualities of, being a responsible citizen in future life. The student will, be encouraged by giving these badges. I hope that you will also implement this innovative idea to have a better result. And if you are watching this video, please like and subscribe to ZIIEI YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, please like ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you very much.